Ever wondered where Floridians escape to for a perfect family vacation or a peaceful retreat? Well, in today's video, we're diving into the top 10 Sunshine State's best-kept secrets, the most family-friendly and tranquil beaches that locals love. Starting our countdown at number 10 is Gasparilla Island. Nestled along Florida's southwest coast, Gasparilla Island stands as a serene haven, beckoning visitors seeking tranquility and upscale charm. Boca Grande, the primary town on the island, unfolds as a picturesque retreat, boasting pristine beaches and an ambience that speaks to its more relaxed pace. Boca Grande's crown jewel, Gasparilla Island State Park, is an expansive natural sanctuary, offering visitors a respite from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The park's beaches stretch along the Gulf of Mexico, showcasing soft sands and inviting waters. Beyond the shoreline, the town of Boca Grande exudes old-world charm with its historic architecture and quaint streets. For families seeking a peaceful escape, Boca Grande offers a safe and welcoming environment. The absence of large crowds allows for quality time on the beach, building sandcastles, collecting seashells, or simply enjoying the breathtaking sunset views. As the sun dips below the horizon, leaving hues of pink and orange in its wake, visitors to Gasparilla Island are left with a sense of calm and appreciation for the unspoiled beauty that defines this coastal retreat. Whether you're looking for a quiet family getaway or a romantic escape, Gasparilla Island promises a tranquil experience, making it one of Florida's best-kept secrets for those in the know. Next up at number 9, we have Grayton Beach State Park. Tucked away on Florida's Gulf Coast, Grayton Beach State Park emerges as a hidden gem for those seeking a more secluded and natural beach experience. This coastal haven offers a refreshing escape from the bustling crowds, presenting visitors with an untouched paradise where the emphasis is on preserving the beauty of the environment. Grayton Beach State Park is renowned for its unspoiled landscapes, showcasing sugar-white sand dunes, coastal forests, and the rare coastal dune lakes that make this area ecologically distinct. The park provides a range of recreational activities, from hiking and birdwatching to kayaking in the serene dune lakes. Nature enthusiasts can explore the park's trails, immersing themselves in the diverse ecosystems that call Grayton Beach home. The beaches within the state park are a tranquil retreat, with the lack of commercial development preserving the pristine coastline. Visitors can relax on the soft sand, take leisurely strolls along the shore, or swim in the clear Gulf waters. The absence of high-rise buildings on the horizon enhances the sense of being enveloped by nature. Grayton Beach State Park also offers excellent camping facilities, allowing guests to extend their stay and fully embrace the natural beauty that unfolds with each passing day. As the sun sets over the Gulf of Mexico, casting a warm glow on the landscape, visitors to Grayton Beach are treated to a peaceful and awe-inspiring spectacle. For those yearning for a beach experience that harmonizes with nature, Grayton Beach State Park stands as a testament to the untouched beauty that Florida's coastline has to offer, making it a must-visit destination for those seeking a genuine retreat. Moving on to number 8, we have Vero Beach. On Florida's east coast, Vero Beach emerges as a hidden gem that perfectly balances tranquility with family-friendly attractions. Known for its uncrowded and pristine beaches, Vero Beach offers a laid-back atmosphere, making it an ideal destination for those seeking a peaceful coastal retreat. South Beach Park, with its wide sandy shores, is a favorite among families, offering a perfect setting for picnics, beach games, and building sandcastles. The calm waters of the Atlantic Ocean create a safe haven for swimming and water activities. Nature lovers can explore the Environmental Learning Center, an educational facility that highlights the unique ecosystems of the Indian River Lagoon. The McKee Botanical Garden is another local gem, featuring lush landscapes and vibrant flora, providing a serene escape within the city. Vero Beach's downtown area boasts a charming mix of shops, restaurants, and cultural attractions. Visitors can stroll along Ocean Drive, where boutique stores and waterfront dining establishments create a pleasant ambience. For those seeking a more active retreat, Vero Beach provides opportunities for kayaking, paddleboarding, and fishing in its waterways. As the day winds down, the beaches become a serene backdrop for enjoying breathtaking sunsets over the Atlantic. Vero Beach, with its blend of tranquility and family-friendly offerings, stands as a testament to Florida's diverse coastal appeal. Whether you're looking for a quiet escape or a memorable family vacation, Vero Beach welcomes visitors with open arms and the promise of a relaxing seaside experience. Up next at number 7, we have St. Augustine. Nestled on the northeast coast of Florida, St. Augustine Beach beckons travelers with its unique blend of history, charm, and coastal beauty. As the home of America's oldest city, St. Augustine, the beaches here offer more than just sun and surf. They provide a backdrop steeped in centuries of rich heritage. St. Augustine Beach boasts a family-friendly atmosphere, making it an ideal destination for those seeking both relaxation and educational experiences. The wide sandy shores provide ample space for beach combing, building sand castles, or simply soaking in the sun. The Atlantic Ocean's gentle waves make swimming and water activities enjoyable for visitors of all ages. One of the distinctive features of St. Augustine Beach is its proximity to the historic downtown area. After a day of beachside fun, visitors can explore the cobblestone streets, visit landmarks like the Castillo de San Marcos, or stroll through the charming historic district. The city's Spanish colonial architecture and vibrant cultural scene create a unique and enriching experience for families. For nature enthusiasts, Anastasia State Park offers a peaceful retreat with nature trails, birdwatching opportunities, and a beautiful beach with dunes and tidal marshes. As the sun sets over the Matanzas River, the Bridge of Lions, and the Atlantic Ocean, St. Augustine Beach transforms into a romantic and serene setting. The blend of history, family-friendly activities, and natural beauty makes this destination a captivating gem along Florida's coastline. Whether you're a history buff or a beach lover, St. Augustine Beach invites you to discover the perfect harmony of the past and the present by the sea. Coming in at number 6, we have Siesta Key Beach. Nestled on the Gulf Coast of Florida, Siesta Key Beach stands out as a tropical paradise that seamlessly combines powdery white sands, crystal clear waters, and a laid-back atmosphere. Recognized for its pristine beauty, Siesta Key Beach invites visitors to experience a beach destination that feels like a slice of heaven on earth. Families flock to Siesta Key for its family-friendly ambience and a myriad of activities suitable for all ages. The beach's powdery quartz sand, often described as the finest and softest in the world, creates an inviting playground for building sandcastles and enjoying beach games. Siesta Key Village, located nearby, adds a charming touch to the beach experience. With its vibrant shops, cafes, and ice cream parlors, the village exudes a relaxed beach town vibe. Visitors can explore the local boutiques, savor fresh seafood, or simply take a leisurely stroll through the laid-back streets. Nature enthusiasts appreciate the natural beauty of nearby Turtle Beach and Point of Rocks, where marine life and tidal pools provide an immersive coastal experience. Kayaking and paddleboarding in the calm waters of the Gulf offer a different perspective of Siesta Key's coastal wonders. As the sun dips below the horizon, Siesta Key Beach transforms into a romantic setting, with vibrant hues painting the sky. The beach's weekly drum circle adds a unique touch, creating a sense of community and celebration. Siesta Key Beach, with its perfect blend of natural beauty and family-friendly offerings, embodies the essence of a tropical paradise. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a bit of both, Siesta Key invites you to bask in the beauty of paradise, perfected on Florida's Gulf Coast. Halfway through our countdown, we have Destin coming in at number 5. Located on Florida's Emerald Coast, Destin emerges as a hidden paradise with its stunning white sand beaches, emerald green waters, and a laid-back yet upscale atmosphere. Renowned for its charm and natural beauty, Destin offers visitors a unique blend of relaxation and coastal elegance. Destin's beaches, including Henderson Beach State Park and Crystal Sands Beach, showcase powdery sands and clear Gulf waters, providing an idyllic setting for beachgoers. Families can enjoy building sandcastles, playing beach games, and cooling off in the gentle waves. The relatively calm waters make it a perfect spot for paddleboarding. snorkeling, and other water activities suitable for all ages. The Destin Harbor Boardwalk adds a vibrant touch to the coastal experience. Lined with seafood restaurants, shops, and entertainment venues, the boardwalk offers a lively atmosphere for visitors seeking a mix of coastal charm and fun. Fishing enthusiasts can embark on charter boats from the harbor for deep-sea fishing adventures. Nature lovers appreciate Destin's unique coastal dune lakes and the nearby state parks. Topsail Hill Preserve State Park, with its hiking trails and diverse ecosystems, provides a serene escape for those looking to connect with nature. As the sun sets over the Gulf, Destin's beaches transform into a romantic setting, with hues of pink and orange reflecting off the water. Destin, with its Emerald Coast allure, invites travelers to unwind along its pristine shores and experience a perfect blend of relaxation and coastal elegance. Whether you're seeking a family-friendly escape or a romantic retreat, Destin stands as a testament to the beauty that defines Florida's Emerald Coast. At number 4, we have Anna Maria Island. On the Gulf Coast of Florida, Anna Maria Island exudes a timeless charm that transports visitors to a bygone era of old Florida. This barrier island paradise offers pristine beaches, turquoise waters, and a laid-back atmosphere, making it an ideal destination for those seeking a tranquil escape. Anna Maria Island's beaches, such as Bradenton Beach and Coquina Beach, boast soft white sands and calm Gulf waters, providing a serene setting for relaxation and recreation. Families can enjoy swimming, sunbathing, and beachcombing along the shoreline, while beachfront parks offer picnic areas and playgrounds for added enjoyment. What sets Anna Maria Island apart is its commitment to preserving its quaint, small-town atmosphere. The island's historic districts feature charming architecture, boutique shops, and locally owned restaurants, allowing visitors to experience the authentic spirit of old Florida. Nature enthusiasts can explore the island's natural beauty through activities like kayaking, paddleboarding, and wildlife watching. With its lush mangrove forests, serene bays, and scenic waterways, Anna Maria Island provides ample opportunities for outdoor adventure and exploration. As the sun sets over the Gulf of Mexico, Anna Maria Island's beaches become a canvas of vibrant colors, casting a magical glow over the tranquil waters. Visitors are treated to breathtaking sunsets that serve as a reminder of the island's unparalleled beauty and charm. Anna Maria Island, with its old Florida allure and natural splendor, invites travelers to step back in time and experience a coastal retreat like no other. Whether you're seeking relaxation, outdoor adventure, or simply a taste of nostalgia, Anna Maria Island promises an unforgettable escape filled with timeless charm and tranquility. In the number 3 spot, we have Naples Beach. Along Florida's southwest coast, Naples Beach stands as a beacon of upscale serenity, offering visitors a sophisticated retreat with pristine beaches, upscale amenities, and a relaxed ambiance. Renowned for its luxury resorts, fine dining, and cultural offerings, Naples attracts those seeking a refined coastal experience. The beaches of Naples, such as Vanderbilt Beach and Laudermilk Park, showcase powdery white sands and the calm waters of the Gulf of Mexico. The carefully maintained shoreline and well-appointed facilities contribute to the upscale atmosphere, creating an ideal environment for beachgoers looking for both relaxation and luxury. Naples' downtown area adds a touch of sophistication to the coastal experience. Visitors can indulge in upscale shopping, savor world-class cuisine, or simply enjoy a leisurely stroll through the meticulously landscaped streets. Nature lovers can explore nearby Delnor Wiggins Pass State Park, where the natural beauty of mangrove swamps and coastal habitats provides a tranquil escape. The park's unspoiled beach offers a serene setting for birdwatching, picnics, and enjoying the beauty of the Gulf coastline. As the sun sets over the Gulf, Naples Beach transforms into a romantic haven, with the evening sky casting a warm glow on the upscale surroundings. Whether you're seeking a luxurious beach retreat, cultural experiences, or refined relaxation, Naples Beach invites you to immerse yourself in the sophisticated serenity that defines this upscale coastal destination. In the runner-up spot, we have Key West. At the southernmost point of the United States, Key West emerges as a tropical paradise with a laid-back atmosphere, vibrant colors, and a unique blend of history and island charm. Known for its coral reefs, crystal-clear waters, and eclectic character, Key West invites visitors to experience a coastal haven like no other. Key West's beaches, such as Smathers Beach and Fort Zachary Taylor State Park Beach, showcase a blend of white sands and turquoise waters, creating an idyllic setting for relaxation and water activities. Snorkeling, paddleboarding, and sailing are popular choices, allowing visitors to explore the vibrant marine life that surrounds the island. The historic Old Town District adds a unique charm to Key West's coastal allure. Quaint streets, historic homes, and a lively atmosphere define this area, offering visitors a chance to explore landmarks like the Ernest Hemingway Home and Museum, the southernmost Point Bowie, and the colorful Mallory Square. Sunset celebrations at Mallory Square are a signature experience in Key West. Each evening, locals and visitors gather to witness the breathtaking sunset over the Gulf of Mexico, accompanied by live music, street performers, and a festive atmosphere that captures the essence of island living. Key West's Duval Street is a hub of activity, featuring lively bars, seafood restaurants, and vibrant nightlife. As the sun sets, Key West transforms into a magical tropical escape, where the blend of natural beauty, history, and island charm creates an atmosphere of relaxation and adventure. Whether you're seeking water adventures, historical exploration, or a leisurely tropical retreat, Key West promises an unforgettable coastal experience at the southernmost point of the continental United States. And finally, in the top spot, we have Clearwater Beach. On Florida's Gulf Coast, Clearwater Beach claims the top spot as a true gem, boasting powdery white sands, crystal clear waters, and a lively yet laid-back atmosphere. Known for its family-friendly appeal, water activities, and vibrant Pier 60 scene, Clearwater Beach offers visitors a coastal haven that perfectly balances relaxation and excitement. Clearwater Beach's sandy shores, stretching for miles along the Gulf of Mexico, provide an ideal setting for beach enthusiasts. Families can enjoy building sand castles, playing beach volleyball, or taking part in water sports like parasailing and jet skiing. The gentle Gulf waves create a welcoming environment for swimmers of all ages. Pier 60, a central hub of activity, adds a dynamic touch to Clearwater Beach's charm. Sunset celebrations at Pier 60 are a nightly event featuring street performers, local artisans, and a festive atmosphere as the sun dips below the horizon. The pier itself offers fishing opportunities and panoramic views of the coastline. The nearby Clearwater Marine Aquarium is a popular attraction, especially for families, showcasing marine life and offering educational programs. The aquarium is known for its resident dolphin, Winter, who inspired the film Dolphin Tale. Clearwater Beach's Beach Walk Promenade provides a scenic backdrop for leisurely walks, cycling, or simply enjoying the coastal ambience. The area boasts a variety of beachfront resorts, restaurants, and shops, creating a lively yet relaxed atmosphere. As the sun sets over the Gulf, Clearwater Beach transforms into a magical coastal retreat. The spectrum of colors painting the sky reflects off the water, providing a serene and picturesque backdrop for evening strolls or waterfront dining. Clearwater Beach, with its Gulf Coast allure, stands as the quintessential Florida beach destination, offering a perfect blend of family-friendly fun, natural beauty, and vibrant coastal energy. Whether you're seeking relaxation, water adventures, or lively entertainment, Clearwater Beach invites you to experience the best of Florida's Gulf Coast. As we wrap up our coastal journey through Florida, we've uncovered the gems that make the Sunshine State shine even brighter. From family-friendly beaches to serene retreats, each destination offers its unique charm. If you enjoyed this virtual beach getaway, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more travel insights and share your favorite Florida beach memories in the comments below. Until next time, may your travels be sunny and your beaches serene. Thanks for joining us on this coastal adventure.